Moving is one chore no one looks forward to, but we all encounter it sooner or later. It's particularly hard when you have heavy objects to move around.
Well, the movers will bring the boxes into the house, but it's usually your responsibility to get the boxes into the individual rooms. In a case like this where I have this heavy box I need to move, rather than trying to carry it, I'm going to use a piece of plastic to drag it into the room. Now, in this case, I'm using 6 mil, which is a pretty thick piece of plastic, and a 1x2 that I'm going to use as a handle. So I just set the box on the plastic, then I roll it around the 1x2 just once or twice just to create a handle, and that allows you to just drag it.
I guess that'll keep the plastic from tearing as well, won't it?
Not only that, but you can use one hand. You can see even a heavy box like this easily glides across the floor.
Now what about a situation where you have like a hardwood floor or maybe a vinyl floor?
Yeah, in that case I'd probably use an old blanket, or a moving pad works really well, which is thick and quilted and allows you to not only glide it across the floor but up over thresholds in the doorways.
Now if you have a large piece of furniture that has legs on it, it's a lot easier to move it if you'll lay it down on its side before you start moving it along.